Yo, YouTube, what's up, YouTube? It's been a while. I am about to play Spider-Man DLC Part 2. I haven't played in a long minute because I have somewhere on my mic and everything, but we got everything situated. We have 45% finished on the first DLC part. Let's see how far we can get. If you like, subscribe, if you follow me on Twitch, DayQ1, subscribe, you see DayQ active. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get it. Right.
Hi, Miles. Just
Yo, Miles, my favorite black guy.
What was it you wanted to ask before?
Hey, Peter.
Does Peter know any black guys?
Just, I mean, it's no big deal or anything. I know you're super busy. I was just wondering if there might be some time we could, you know, start training.
Training?
Yeah, maybe just the basic stuff, like swinging from a skyscraper.
Right.
Or swinging from a low building. Or a tree.
Miles, you're 15. You need to focus on school. That's way more important than...
Yeah, but if I finish all my homework early and you've got some free time one day... I mean, you started when you were 15, right?
And I nearly got myself killed at least 100 different times.
I
can't let that happen to you.
Okay. Yeah, I get it. Talk to you later.
Oh, man. What am I gonna do with that kid?
Who's over here? I still got it. Gadget challenge? Alright.
Pins are lined up. Knock them down.
Don't let him get any more of us!
Yawn. One gadget is boring. We want to see you use both.
It's over! Dodge this!
Leave? Back up off me, bro.
Pansies are letting him win!
That was effective with a capital E.
Forget him!
Well played.
You look good!
Alright. Bing bong. Bing bong. Bing bong. Bing bong. Bing bong.
Yeah, come on! Look at him!
Bing bong. Bing bong. Bing bong.
More gadgets, more points. Ha, just saying. Show us what you got, Spidey. Come on, the fans are loving this.
What?
Oh, don't miss the photobomb. Screwball says.
I did the first time, bro.
Only.
Don't let him get
Great,
any more
bro.
of us!
LOL, look at them squirm. My shields are dropping. Come on.
That didn't count as a.
ROFL, you baked it.
Yeah, come on! Look at him!
Oh, they look so cute when they're floating, don't they?
Leave. God, bro.
Look out!
Nigga, where the fuck all these niggas come from? Now, realistically,
Oh, that's gonna
do you think any of these niggas dropped the soap before?
but it's racking up the legs.
Like, all honesty. Like, all these niggas here, at least 5 of them had to drop the soap before.
Come on! Let's end it!
Good, but I can do better.
Damn, nigga, what the fuck?
Either be really good or really bad. Both get more views than just average.
Oh. Oh. That's not my dick.
All right, Spidey. Your pie's ready.
Thanks, you're a lifesaver.
Nah, that's your job.
Eddie!
If you like it, can you give us a shout out on the social medias? Really helps the business. Hey, man, I'll send someone out ASAP.
I'm curious, did Hardy have any family?
Yeah, a daughter, Felicia.
You don't say.
I know what you're thinking. She might be the new cat. But I ran a search on her. Comes up clean.
She just hasn't been caught yet. The police got her suit and equipment last time, but they just missed her.
I don't know, it doesn't track. When I interrogated Hardy, it sounded like he really loved his kid. Didn't want her mixed up in his work.
Oh, really? Good to know. I'll keep an eye out for more stolen paintings.
There's rumor of another MK
Sounds like
in
Daddy didn't want
2027.
daughter following in his paw prints.
Okay. Then we come out the I react to the trailer. I think like did 500 views. Copy. Can't wait. I'm gonna watch it. I watched the last one.
Are we in danger? What's with the outfit?
Going to church, you gotta pray. Are you? You see it? Amen.
That's a keeper.
I was shelter. Like church. I don't know if I watched the last one. It was a lot of bull in there. I won't lie to you. Like the guy, I didn't know who the guy was though, with the gold bodysuit on. Yeah, it was alright. It was alright.
Seems like one of those stolen paintings is around here.
It was alright, bro. It was alright. It was good to see some of the characters. But they said Johnny Cage is in this one.
There. Wonder how much
I
this painting is
can't
worth.
wait.
Detective, I found another stolen art piece.
Cause Johnny's my favorite.
Nice work.
Right there with Luke Cage. Well, no, Johnny's my favorite. Luke Cage is my favorite person
Why?
to use.
You work in that case too?
Nah, just curious. What's she like?
Complicated. Frustrating.
Like, give it a chance then?
She's manipulative. She's also
It's
got
not
a
the worst
good
movie I've
heart.
ever seen.
She only robs folks who can afford it, or who she thinks deserve it.
And she gave you the slip, huh?
More than once. I can honestly say I've never met anyone quite like her.
Maybe Felicia.
I know the feeling. I'll talk to you later.
All units advised. Maggia involvement suspected in a car bombing. Any officers near Madison proceed
How long?
to the
No,
crime
you have to
scene.
handle that, bro. Look, so calm. Pizza sounds so good, bro.
I love you. But now, I must destroy you.
They had this good protein pizza. That shit cost mad.
Hello?
Hey, I followed up on that license plate. It's
Does that mean it's the
registered to a
MJ
storage
mission?
company owned by one of Hammerhead's old friends. I'm there
Yeah,
now.
I would dead ass quit, bro. Come on, bro.
I'll be there as soon as I can.
In the
What's a
meantime,
pizza? It's just a pizza with
Just take a quick look
it's regular pizza that just have more protein than regular pizza. That's all.
Okay, first things first. Look around, see if the boy is being held here. And
Ah.
get him out safely. What do I do if the kid looks like Peter? Stop, MJ, just stop.
It was good though. I don't lie to you, it wasn't bad. Like there's a lot of
This guy looks
Adaptations.
like he needs a nap.
of snacks.
What's that? Sheets of counterfeit bills. Looks like Hammerhead's got a new hobby.
Ooh.
Stewie, give me a hand with this. It's heavier than your mother.
It's heavier than your mother. Watch your mouth, bro.
That. You know about my sciatica.
Yo, Mikey, help me out, will ya? Stewie's got a terminal case of being a wuss.
I thought they both was gonna go. I can't go now. This nigga's watching me. Go the other way.
I guess I overreacted.
Something's over there.
Damn, shoes.
Let's get it. Bing bong.
All that stuff about Hammerhead cracking guys' skulls. It's just hype, right?
Do your job and hope you never find out.
Maybe I should get my ears checked.
Run, Forrest, run.
That's a lot of cash. Looks counterfeit.
Bing bong. Yo, Telly.
Weird as
Yo,
the idea
Telly.
of Pete being a dad is to me. Can't imagine what it's like for him. But I bet he'd be a good one.
How you feeling? I be forgetting you be up in these late nights. You just missed Lethal. He didn't want to type any other time, but when we start talking about freaking, we talk about money. This nigga just up here, abracadabra.
If that's a pigeon, it's gonna be a dead pigeon.
It's about Rod too. How Rod told me about Marcus. Banking
I should get a picture of that guy. Might help build a case. I'll see if my contacts on the force can possibly.
look at that camera. Oh, you about to get killed?
Damn, with this damn
Alright,
phone. Get back to work. No more slacking off.
An unguarded laptop.
Opportunity.
A shipping manifest.
I could be a mafia.
Lead to their distribution center.
Mafia X. Oh my god.
Come
Oh, hell.
I didn't ask you if y'all be interested in scavenger hunt.
The Costa family's causing trouble, acting like they want to go to war. I gotta have a sit down, see what we do about this. We're on high alert. You see anyone? Don't take any chances. Take them out.
Yeah, we killing niggas on sight.
Okay, got all the shipping company data.
If you don't hop this damn gate, girl.
I'll look through it later. But now, gotta get out of here. Quietly.
I'm hopping on this, jumping on that, and jumping over the gate. Yo, why she wanna go all the way back where she started, bro? Tell us about it though. Oh, okay, I didn't think so.
Hey,
You need to
true
forget shit.
Hammerhead got shot in the head and lived?
Damn right. Spit one of the bullets right back at the guy who shot him. After that, he got the plate put in.
Okay, I'm seeing it. Come on. Machina, right? Yeah. She said either scavenger hunt or mafia.
Huh? If that's a pigeon, it's
You can
gonna
check
be
it
a
out, boss
dead
man.
pigeon.
Maybe I can cool him off.
My community is not really like a. They do.
Gotta try
Stop!
the pizza.
Who's there?
What was it? Eddie's.
The hell is that?
That would just me being slow. Impression shit.
Better check that out.
Think I've outstayed my welcome. Better get out of here. Fast.
Okay, everybody, huddle up.
That big ass rat! My fault.
You think the Costas are gonna be a problem?
Close as I ever want to cut it. Ugh, son of a...
Sorry.
What are you doing here?
I said I was coming.
And why do you smell like pizza?
This nigga I can't eat?
Just ate pizza?
Well, while you were out enjoying lunch, I was gathering evidence and trying to find a missing child.
I ate as fast as I could.
I've got stuff to follow up on. I'll call you later.
She mad at me?
Note to self. No upside downies after double pepperoni. Thanks.
Where's MJ missionary?
Hey, I need your help. I'll send you the location.
Felicia? What's going on? Unbelievable. She expects me to just rush on over?
And you know what we're going to.
And here I am, rushing
I
on
should
over.
go exactly. Exactly. Hey, sweetheart.
What are we looking at?
Got a tip from an old friend. Hammerhead's keeping something extremely valuable in that office above the bar.
A lot of guys in there.
If they spot me, my son's dead.
Okay, we gotta go in company.
I'll draw them out. Then you sneak in.
The green look good. Does it look hard? You know I play all these games. Ooh, don't play. Don't tell me.
Come on. Please.
And then I play on a harder difficulty. I always play on a harder difficulty. Like, the most they do, they have easy. It's funny because I say that because I play Batman, what people say it's harder game. It is. No, it depends. I think it's the same.
So what do you think about working with the cat?
Bad idea. I wouldn't trust her to hold the door now.
Well, I'd be more than happy to
Batman hard as fuck?
for her.
Hate that game. I love Batman. Batman was the first game I played. Oh, I'll call her. I'll call her. Where am I supposed to go to myself? I can. I stop on Batman because I got a level I couldn't beat, and I get far. We already beat Batman Arkham Asylum and Origins. We still gotta beat City of Night. I keep getting tricked by the Riddler, I think. Well, you know some of the Riddler stuff is optional, right?
That's a pigeon. It's gonna be a dead pigeon.
Wing wong.
Weapon! The spider's around!
Nap time.
Now they got them active and moving. Just trying to ping a Waffle House. I kind of want it.
Heads up, Spider. I think they're on to
Hey,
you.
Mom.
Over there!
Oh, nigga, what the fuck? Oh, that's me. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Most high-value items.
Like a kidnapped kid? Any indication where the vault is?
Weave. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Why am I
I've
dodging?
got more books to go through.
Keep looking.
Go down! Once he's head!
Oh, I would have got your ass too. What happened to you? Again. Bring your big ass here. Sugar. That nigga look, he eats straight from behind, nigga. I don't even know what that means. Yeah.
Enough of this crap! Everyone hit him at once!
Another one?
May I have this dance?
Oh!
You've gotten soft in your old age.
Old age? Hey, I might be older, but I'm not old.
22.
Did you guys just get off lunch break or something?
Yeah, get that nigga out of here, bro.
We make a good team, Spider.
Still
that.
get used to it.
You got a death
Weave.
wish, huh?
Weave. Lucky. Oh, I ain't got enough. So what did you play? What's it called? Beat the ass kill? Holland distracted me. I got hit. My first time getting hit was because of Holland.
Nice hook.
He's checking out.
Weave.
No, I just... Never mind.
So when did you play Batman, Kiwi?
I can handle this clown.
Mind if I jump in?
Yep.
You first,
Where did we
Spider.
play it? Never got to beat it, really. Oh, okay. Nah, because it wasn't mine. I get it. Is that?
Did you find the location of the vault?
No, but we're narrowing it down.
And there's a lot to do for Batman. Oh, I'm
It's
already
definitely where
knowing.
he's keeping my son.
Yeah, speaking of him, there's an overdue conversation we...
Look at the glow on her
Never missed
face.
this.
What? Me getting shot at while you steal things?
I really tried going straight. Got a job that didn't involve breaking or entering. Even started wearing sweatpants on weekends.
I wondered where you went.
The
been hard
leather
for
looked
you.
good. I think it was last year.
As a child.
I used to have the PlayStation for my iPhone.
I need to go deeper if I'm gonna find him.
Let me help. If we're supposed to be working together.
Some things I do better alone.
This nigga Petey. That nigga smooth criminal. She pulled my
I
move?
need an extra pair of hands.
That nigga be mesmerized. Yeah, I know. I know Batman has all the side missions, all the, what's it called? The Riddler trophies. He have everything.
Hey, MJ. Did you get any good info from that laptop?
I'm still decrypting the data. Should have something soon.
Good. In the meantime, we've got another lead. We think Hammerhead's
So
keeping
much.
her son in a vault, but we don't know where the
At
vault
least
is.
everyone is out.
Once I crack these files,
Asylum.
maybe we can combine my chocolate with your peanut butter. Do not make a saucy joke out of that.
It's hard to resist a setup like that, but I'll hold the sauce.
You really made me want to
Thanks,
jump.
MJ. Let me know what you find. Okay, got some time to kill.
Yeah, I
What's happening out in
realize
the
he's,
city?
I mean, he's optional. But I think it's not that bad. It was so much fun. It was so much. Oh. I be enjoying it, bro. I'm gonna lie to you. I love it. I love every single part of it. I think Batman was like the first type of game I played like that.
One of the stolen paintings should be around here somewhere.
Oh damn! I just hit you. No, my fault. I made a hit Joe dumb ass. Didn't mean hit Joe stupid ass.
Symbols of a bygone era. Don Fortunato, Don Cicero, Don Machio, just to name a few. And of course, that metal dome.
Detective, I found another painting.
Good work. We should get you a badge. I'll have someone come pick it up.
So in your professional opinion, is the new cat similar to the old one?
Well, she's clearly modeling herself after Hardy. Her style, technique. Hell, her grapple looks like an updated version of his old tech.
Right, you guys had her equipment in lockup for a while. So she steals intellectual property too.
More like improves on it. She's elevated Hardy's work to a whole new level.
Almost sounds like you admire her.
Do this long enough, you can't help noticing real talent. Kinda sounds like you think highly of her too.
Well, you know, it's what you
It's a
say.
question.
Game recognizes game. I'll let you know if I find any more old loot.
This nigga Mafia ran a bullet into a bomb.
Peter,
It made the game crash. This dumb
that
ass.
room-sized vault you were talking about? I found a record of it being delivered to a shipyard near Hell's Kitchen.
Okay.
That's gotta be where the boy
Oh,
is. Thanks,
double
MJ.
No,
Better
no,
call
right.
Felicia.
Double.
At this hour, it's either a booty call or you found something.
So that mean that nigga Spidey called for a booty call before? Let me find out.
Your son. I'm sending you an address.
He be
Meet me
getting it? Oh, he be let me do 30 more push-ups. I finished mine. I think I'm over my 100, but it's
1011C. The security alarm just went off at a local business. Please mobilize on Museum Mile.
I think one of Hardy's old stashes is around here. Hey, fellas.
Oh, this is mistaken.
Special Maggia discounts?
You look like him.
Hammerhead's trying to bring back the good old days, which weren't good for anyone but...
Snipers?
MJ nailed
Snipers.
it. This place is isolated. They could keep the kid here for weeks without anyone noticing.
Ooh.
This is the place. I know it.
If they spot us, it's over. We need to take them all out. Like we used to. Quiet as a cat.
Sneaky as a spider.
Oh, that is so sexy!
If they spot us, they might kill your son. We have to do this quietly.
Black Cat can help you take out enemies with her current target is marked. Okay, bet. Okay, bet. Alright, no snipers. I'll tell you a breakdown. No spiders. Alright, no snipers. I learned from Batman.
How about that guy?
You take the top ones off first. Chill out. I got this. Shh, look here, reach not that far.
Okay.
A lot of guys guarding this place. This won't be easy.
Split those guys up. This guy?
Yo, girl. Pipe down, bro. Wow, now let me whip out. I'm down. Next, you want to get the ice nigga on the top.
Hang on a sec. Nighty night.
Sounds like the boss is worried about getting ripped off.
Sleep it off.
Who do you think is stupid enough to steal from the boss? Cat?
Bring it. Here,
I
boy.
like watching a man work.
Oh, don't tip me. Don't tip me.
Going in. Good one. Let's keep it going.
There's a lot of niggas here. I'm not even. Talk to me nice and easy. Damn, it's mad niggas.
Hey, you got it.
I'm down.
Yo, guys, over here.
That's impossible.
Fetch.
Oh, thank you.
That's a pigeon.
Looks like about 9 guys left.
One per life. Let's not mess this up.
Fuck. Get him.
Bad more often.
Yo,
This guy is ripe for the picking.
Bing bong. Got my target. Target locked.
get over here.
Thank you.
Literally didn't see that coming.
Hey.
I might be able to split them up.
I forgot how fun this was.
Watch my back.
Oh, thank you.
I need some extra eyes.
Ooh, here, thank you.
Hey,
Need a better position.
Don't do it.
I got you. Hey, get over here. What? Could have sworn I saw someone. Everyone ready? I found Webb. What the?
Who fat?
Investigate.
Can't get him yet.
Good job.
That's what I'm here for. Just a
Thank
few
you.
left.
Oh my god. Four left? Right.
Yo, get over here.
No, no, these eyes.
I'm
Thank
ready
you.
to pound 2 of them and 2 of us.
Oh, she got one too. Let me find out. Listen.
That's all of them.
Hot to be nice. Yes, sir, ski.
Lots of places to
This
hide
suit
a
looks so
vault around
comfy.
here.
You check the shipping containers while I check in that building over there.
Felicia,
What?
Be careful.
I'm sorry Hammerhead did this to you.
Yeah, well, he's about to find out. You mess with the cat, you get the claws.
Corny. Fuck with it.
Should check out those shipping containers.
Alright. What the fuck I get in it? Oh.
Just a bunch of boxes. Better keep looking.
Eeny, meeny, miny, you.
Building supplies. And no kid. Pianos. That's random. But no kid. On to the next one. He's gotta be in one of these containers.
I didn't see this one over here.
Some of the containers. Sable International. What is this stuff?
Yo.
Whoa. Hammerhead's
Alright.
got Sable weapons.
Alright.
Wonder what else he has.
Oh, they got Sable Tech. How are you?
Well, that answers that question.
Like I tell you, 9 months.
Spider-Man, shoot him!
I'll ready for squabble. Let's get it.
Hammerhead thugs and Sable weapons.
Not a good combo.
Mashup I never asked for.
Exactly. Damn, nigga. Fuck. Alright. Now it.
Alicia, where are you? Another Sable APC. Wondered where all those went.
Oh, you. The big nigga. Great. Probably done after this mission. Leave. Oh my god, that nigga dead. Jugan, weave. Oh my gosh. Order for me, thank you. Please. I appreciate it. I'm back to myself. Shogun! Shogun. This suit's comfy. This suit is comfy. I didn't even see that. More miniguns? RPG?
APCs, rocket launchers, miniguns? What did you guys not steal from Sable? Whoa, that was close.
Damn! Damn, it's still
Gotta
got
clear
me.
these guys out and find Felicia.
Fuck! I think I kind of play with. Oh.
Are you guys sure you know how to
Let's get
use
it.
those weapons? Okay, looks like you do.
Shogun! Weave! 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 No! Get up! I want you. Weave! Fuck! Fuck! Move! Oh my gosh, you can still see me. That's weed. I've just going on. No. Do we have any? I don't need no some power. Come on, lock it. Come on, lock it. You got this, eh? Damn, these got unlimited bullets, the fuck? Okay. One down. Hold that. Thank you. Shogun, weave, rocket. Like I have time to grab it. Weave! Weave! Thank you. Hold that. Oh my gosh, she almost got me. Damn no. Weave. That shit came too fucking fast. Kill these niggas, yo. Yo, eat. Kill these niggas, bro. I won't lie to you, we've been holding back. Nah, we gotta kill more niggas. Where the fuck they come from? All right, lock it. Herc around. I'm good. Lock in. No rockets, thank you. Shogun! Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro.
Gonna be sore tomorrow. Okay, time to
I have
find
never
Felicia.
been in a fight like that. Oh my gosh.
She said she was heading into that building.
I'm dead. I'm not going to work.
Felicia? The vault. Felicia.
They got everything. Oh, she tricked me.
No. You gotta be kidding me. Tell me you weren't just stringing me along.
Sorry, sweetie. But I needed help to pull off a job this big.
All you ever wanted was Hammerhead's drive.
The entire wealth of the Magia. In the palm of my hand.
You gave Hammerhead fake drives?
You think he's gonna be mad at me?
He gonna fuck you up.
The kidnapping? Your son? That was all just a lie?
Lie is such an ugly word. I prefer misdirection.
Do the right thing. Take the drives to the police.
Hey, I earned these. Besides, Hammerhead's on a mission and nothing is gonna stop him. If anything, I just help slow him down a bit.
They cleaned out the whole yard! Check the vault!
Time to go. I'll raise a glass to you on the Riviera.
Felicia!
She a weirdo. Pit! Whoever said that, not me.
Boss, we're in.
And?
Drive's gone.
New plan. There's a tracker on that drive. Find her and kill her. And if she's dumb enough to go to her little penthouse, I've got a crew waiting there to send it sky high.
What about the drives?
I don't care about the drives. I just want her dead.
Got it. We'll find her.
Oh, shoot.
If there's a tracker on that drive, Felicia's in trouble. Gotta get to her, fast.
In the next episode... No, I'm sorry.
Miss me already?
Hammerhead knows where you are, and he's going to kill you. There's a tracker on his drive.
I don't get you, Spider. I just conned the hell out of you, and here you are trying to save me. How can you be so damn nice all the time?
It's not about being nice. It's about doing the right thing. You've got so many talents. I wish you'd use them to help someone other than yourself.
Yeah, well, you should know by now. That's not how I roll.
People can change, Felicia.
Love you, Spider. I'll miss you.
Wait, your penthouse! He's rigged it to explode!
Don't worry. I still got all 9 lives left.
Damn it!
Oh, stubborn people.
Hang on, Felicia. I'm coming.
One, Peter! Nigga man!
Come on!
Alright, I got you, bro.
Hold on, Felicia.
No! Is he going right into it? You know she did. That was a good slow-mo. She is going to be continued. Now it's really in the next episode.
Wow. And they still haven't found a body?
No.
Do you think she survived?
I don't know. I mean, anything's possible, but...
That ain't look like she made it. She going.
So, how's it feel to not be a dad? No, I'm serious.
Honestly,
I'm not
I'm
MJ.
relieved. Yeah, I've got a lot going on, you know.
Yeah, you do. But I think you're gonna be an amazing dad someday. At the right time.
With the right person.
Ooh, let me find out Peter got some game. Bye, Felicia. Congratulations, you have finished the heist story. The adventure continues in the next campaign, Turf Wars. Great job, Peter. Episode 2, I think. DLC part 1. We have completed it. Now we'll be playing the next one. Next time I play the game, I have no clue. but we will see. Thank you. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter. Thank you to one subscribe to my YouTube channel. DayQ active. This might be going on my YouTube channel and my gaming channel. We'll see. I gotta get more active on the gaming channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye YouTube. Be breezy YouTube. This is YouTube.